Come on, man. Oh, bollocks. Come on. This spider. So the only way I can get my head round this is little and often, tackle it little and often, and be ruthless. That's you. I'm really ruthless. What am I talking about? This bloody thing here, man. Look at it, man. Things are like. I used to be able to, you know what I mean? So there, that's the pain from the roof it's getting. Let's just check that actually. Rise a bloody board, man. Right, Smith Roofing, if you want me to help you with your roof. So, can you professional get into this, son? I honestly don't know how to tackle it. So all I'm gonna like to say is tackle it. Well, I'm doing part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. This side here is going today, and I'm gonna be ruthless, to be honest. Because look at, man, empty aerosols, bits of bloody string. I'm fed up of it. So when I say ruthless, honestly, I mean like ruthless. Do you know what I mean? It's got to be done. Because just so these are bags that I've had that actually clutting up the place as well. I've checked with the local tip, and today's the day I can go down. So I'm intending to fill a few bags and take a couple of big things with us as well, which I know is on that side. But, right, here we go. Bloody things. You see, I've kept these. These are brackets for if I ever put the bloody grapevine up. Right. Got to be done. Right, it's took us 30 minutes. 30 minutes to do one bag. That's not. I'm not ruthless enough. Not at all. I was keeping this, and then I realised it's got a bloody hole in the bottom. So. I've been keeping these year after year, but I want somewhere to store them better. I don't like them ones. Nah. Actually, some of them are ripped. These just dry out on me too quick, so bag 2. Thing's knackered. Toilet rolls, paper towels, a plate for me picnic. Right, I'm getting into the swing of it there now. Let's have a look. Well, I'm nowhere near finished, but I'm having to use that side to hold this side, but there you go. I want to try and get this thing out because it's good, but it's knacked, so the shelves just drop out. So I'd rather just kind of bolt some tools to that. I need to get rid of these 2 bits of wood, and then that's like a little bit. Just turn you around there. Turn you around. That's like a little bit made, and there's loads, and I'm thinking, right, Melanie could do with them dusters. So like things don't get. I should be just slicking the stuff, man. It's been in here for years. Oh, taking these to the car. This is what I want. Get up there. Getting there, getting there. Man, these are heavy. Oh, what a bloody shoulder. Freaking hell. I don't know if you can get these bloody things in, they're so heavy. I thought they were waterlogged, but it's just, I think it's like some sort of kitchen bench. Oh. These used to be the seats in the hut. Come on, man. Oh, bollocks. Come on. Oh, there's a spider. Come on. Oh, I'm not. Oh, that'll do. This would have been skip day all to myself. Last 2 bags, that'll do for me. Last 2 bags for today. It doesn't look like I've done anything, but under there's gone. Now I know that's, but that will, because that's. So all I need to now tackle really is this. And a lot of this is needed, but I just need to kind of work out how to get it sorted. But that's, there's bloody room, and I could do a live bloody thing from here. So we'll go to the tip. Come on. I don't really know. Can you see us in there? 15-minute journey. Taking it very easy. I've got all sorts in here. Right, oh, here we go. This local area here is called the Nook. I have no idea why, but it's like a suburb of South Shields, and South Shields is right on the northeast coast. And we're driving through this to go to that recycle village, which is a bit further up in a place called Tyne Dock, if anybody's interested in those things. We're nearly there now. It's just down this little hill. So I think you've got to wear as well masks. So I've got my mask ready to go. So it's saying there on the, can you see that? I don't know if you can see, recycling village, even number plate, even date. So today's the day when I can go, because I've got an even number. That's how they've been working it of late. Let's get this mask on. Queue time's 60 minutes. Oh no. All right, I see what. Queue time's 45 minutes from here. Wow, it's been busy then. Oh, straight in, man. No queue whatsoever. Hey, bloody hell, when I seen that for an hour. My battery wouldn't last that long. You alright? Just got like a hut waste from inside a garden hut.
Most of it's just general, isn't it?
Aye.
Stick it in number 16 there, right?
Number 60, right, thank you. There we go, number 16. Let's come to daddy. Right, I'll put you so you can see. That's my car alarm going off there. This is so cathartic. That's it. That's it done. Well, mind that'll probably take, if I'm honest, another 2 goes. Whether that'll get done or not, I've started it. Look after yourselves. Take good care.